with Miss Doll's Handmade Creations, and today I come to you with another unboxing from Diamond Art Club. And this one is a round, because you can see that it is round diamond, and it is the canvas called I Am. If y'all know anything about me, y'all know I do like the show Game of Thrones, and I've always loved dragons. So when I saw this one, and I hesitated on this one for a while until I saw someone finish it. They did a finish. Oh my gosh, the color, the brightness on it. I had to have it. So it is called I Am. Let's get into this, baby. I am so excited. Diamond Art Club fashion. Yep, everything's out. All right. All right, this is a round, so you do not get the tweezers for a round, but you do get the blue pen, the squishy, some baggies, and the tray, and 2 heart wax. Okay? Put these up. I have a whole bunch of these kits. You get your sticker. And this is the canvas. OMG. Look at that baby. And what I saw the lady do was when she did it, this right here, the flame and the shadow on him, the fire here and then the shadow on the dragon were so bright and shiny. I was like, oh my gosh, that is beautiful. So this is a 51 centimeter by 71 centimeter, which is a 20 inch by 28. It's a round. I cannot pronounce that lady's name. Raina Phelan. I guess that's how you say her name, but there it is right there. And this canvas is I Am, and there are only 29 colors. Let's get into this baby. And it looks not as wide as the others, so it's probably a longer canvas, which is amazing. Oh, I love the feel of this canvas. Let's get those drills out. Remember, you always get in step-by-step instructions, and it does come with a coupon code. The drills, they are labeled round, ABs, and I Am. So you'll know when you put them up, because I keep mine in my, oh my gosh. I keep mine in my drawers. So when I go looking for it, the stickers in there and the drills, because I like to keep the sticker with it. And I don't have to really look at the marking. I'm looking for that image. OMG. Look at this baby. Wow. Wow, guys. Look at him. Gorgeous, bright oranges and reds. Yellow. I know this yellow is intense. Look at that. Ooh, I can see it without even putting the drills on. How bright that fire is. Look at that. Let's go ahead and flatten it out. You know I love to do that. The schematics is on the top left and the bottom right. I love that. There's that test we always do. And we're going to zoom in on this one. Not zoom in, but I'm going to bring you up to it, because y'all need to see this flame. And we can go ahead and do the drill fill. Oh my gosh. And I can already tell. I think I see number 1s in there. Oh. You know, the first couple of numbers are the ABs. Sometimes you may get a sneaky one that has the AB number at the bottom, like they decided to add one more AB at the last minute, and it'll be at the bottom. All right. Oh my goodness. He is adorable. He's going to look great in my craft house once he is done. I have so many. I know y'all seen my unboxings. I got so many up, and I am a slow driller. I don't rush. I enjoy it, so I take my time. So eventually, I will get to him. What I do is go through like I'm shopping. They're all hanging up. and I go through them like I'm shopping. And whichever one that I get the feels for, that's the one I take down, and I'm gonna work on that one. I love it. Love it. Feel like I'm shopping. But anyway, let's get into these drills. Oh my gosh. Let's see. All right. There we go. See how many trains we have. There's 1, 2 trains. Wow. Okay. There's only 28 colors, so that's amazing. Let's go through these colors, guys. Look at this red. Full bags. Oh my gosh. 321. Look at this orange. Ah! 740. I might have to get this in AB. Did I already get it in AB? I'm not for sure. I'm gonna have to check that, but I need 740 in AB. Look how bright that orange is. Then we got 2 bags of 823. 2 bags of 814. Oh, wow. That is a beautiful deep red maroon. Oh my gosh. And then of course, that bright red. This is a beautiful red. Then here's another orange, 947. Oh my gosh. These are some full bags, guys. 336, that beautiful deep blue. 742. This is going to be another one of those that makes that fire brighten up. Oh my gosh. And I might do some ABs. 3371. This is like a chocolate. Another 741. This is another orange. Make that flame really pop. And then 498. These are full bags. And then we get to the smaller bag. All right, so we have 498. I think we said that number. 815. We got 2 bags of 815. Oh, 137. Look at that AB, guys. Are you freaking kidding me? I need to know where this baby goes. We are definitely going to see that, because I did not see this turquoise color on the canvas. So we're definitely going to see what that is. That's a blue, and all I saw was reds, oranges, and yellows. So let's check that out. Then we got 939. Oh, beautiful yellows. 444. Yes. 726. These 2 yellows are gorgeous. 550. You know I love my 550. But we're definitely going to check out where that one goes too, because we didn't see no purple. Then 445. This little light yellow, like scrambled egg. Oh, 129. Look at this beautiful pale yellow. Those ABs are popping. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. 606, another red. 917. This is so weird that I'm seeing these pinks and stuff, but I guess that will make up the red, you know, to give it layers. 312, that's a blue. Another purple, 327. A pink, 3607. 600, that's a beautiful hot pink. Another purple, 3837. Blues, 3755 and 3841. And then green, 906. Wow, where does this green go? Wow, let's turn it over so we can see, guys. Oh, as soon as I turned it over, I see the color. Wow, dog. Ain't that weird how you do not notice stuff until you look at the drill colors? I never saw this purple. All I saw, because the first impression was this yellow and the red in the back. But there is purple here. OMG. Are you kidding me? So the 2 ABs are 129 and 137. That 129 is that very pale yellow. So let's look for number 1s. And the number 2s was that, what color was that? Looks like purple. Or blue. That turquoise color. That's what it was. So, number 1s. Okay. I see number 1s going down his chest here. 1s here. Here. You see the little stripes there. That's the number ones. And then ones here. And then the ones actually outline the flame. All that outlines the flame. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. And then the number twos is that turquoise, deep turquoise color. And that's a number 2. Let's see if it's up here. Okay, down here at the bottom, it's at the bottom of the dragon, starting here. There's some here on his body. Number 2s. 2, 2, 2. I don't see any there. Oh, I see some here. And it's all that what I thought was purple. All this here, guys. That's that turquoise. Wow. Right here. Right here. Oh my goodness. That is going to be beautiful. Right here. It's outlining his horns. Oh, I cannot wait. And then that green we saw. That is his eye. That's not an AB, but that's the eye. When I was like, where's a green at? Right there. He is hot and popping, guys. I can't wait to get on this one. Beautiful. And I'm loving the flame. So again, this is the canvas I Am from Diamond Art Club. 29 colors. Y'all let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.